Kajat forgot to bring her camera, so this is us going home from Kenneth's house.
Hello! I'm at the back, the short one. I'm wrapped up.
And the one ahead of us, there's Jerry's sister.
Hello!
And I can't see from here. So it's freezing. I have no gloves, no hat. It's still snowing. So that's them, all of them there. That's Isis in the front. No one. It's because Katrina forgot to bring.
I know
No one.
Hey Nahum, hey JM, hey
know
Micah. What's going on? At Alex,
Nothing.
Krish, Rolf.
So yeah, what time is it now?
It is
This is
9:20.
It's 9:37.
okay. John Mark, especially for you. Look,
Hey, remember?
kaboom.
Boom.
Yes. Yeah, so we're just on our way home. It's freezing. I'm tired. Sleepy.
Still jet lagged.
I am jet lagged.
Yep.
It's been an hour since, you know. Right. Right.
1 hour advance. Welcome to Vienna.
Whenever advance.
my whole face is shaking. No, that one goes and he puts his hand on
Are you gonna post it up today?
Huh?
Are you gonna send them the video?
No, because you see, I'm